Hello and welcome to this channel. After a long monsoon in Mumbai, the sun has started to show up more often these days, and the season change is bringing a lot of joy in my household. I had some deep cleaning chores scheduled for this day, but my mind and body were not willing to do it at all. Thus, I settled the day with the regular chores. Every morning is different from the previous one. I'm sure all of you would agree with me on this that there are days when we just want to do a little less than what we had planned for. On such days, even daily chores feel a lot to deal with, but not dealing with it brings in even more chaos to my mind. I start slow on such days and then gradually increase the momentum. In these many years, I feel I have naturally figured out my ways of handling my household, and I do it with a lot of love and respect. I simply try to put things back in their designated place on such days. This step helps me get rid of all the visual clutter, eventually giving me an organized home.
Thank goodness we're in a different world now. No way! Look how cool you look!
A 5 minutes dusting and cleaning routine is something I follow on a regular basis. This saves me from any last minute rush. An organized home on such days motivates me to move to the other chores, and cooking is the very next thing I do. My daughter, I, and Ashwin, we all are fond of having variety on our plates, and I can't agree more on the saying that good food is equal to good mood. On the days when we no more feel like having rice, chapati, dal, we don't mind having some noodles, pasta, sandwiches, and whatnot. In the past 4 years, my taste and understanding of decor has drastically changed. I would rather say it has evolved. Back in the years, I had no idea that there goes so much of science and mathematics into decorating and organizing a space. However, I still believe a home decorated with love is equally fulfilling and beautiful. I discovered my love for decor only after I shifted to a new place for my masters. This was a rented space and I shared it with my sister. The place was small but had a beautiful vibe to it. Back then, while decorating the place with some paper cuttings and inexpensive decor stuffs, which was all we could afford at that time, I never realized that this would become such a huge topic of interest to me over the years. I am a person who can't live in the same setup for too long. I like shuffling my decor stuff from one place to another, and I feel these small changes in the household are important to cheer up the mood and aura of the home. The science and mathematics in decor I mentioned about are an in-depth topic, so I will have a detailed discussion on it in a separate video. And in case you're wondering how have I learned so much about this, trust me, it's all through my own research and study from random newspapers, magazines, books, and mostly online. Over the years, I have learned that change is important for upgrading and better living, while staying authentic and real to your roots. On this note, I'll wrap up this video, hoping this video gave you some motivation to keep going. If you found the video relatable, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video with a lot more insight on simple yet fulfilling lifestyle. Till then, keep smiling, be healthy, and stay happy.